checking in on February 12th, 2013 from La Fortuna in Costa Rica. We just spent most of the day in the bus. Left Tortuguero in the morning, the Caribbean side, 1.5 hour ride on the river, and then into the bus, a nice lunch, and then later on a visit at a pineapple plantation. And now we've arrived in the town of La Fortuna. And the mountain that we just looked at actually was the Arenal volcano, very famous volcano here in Costa Rica. And we are at the, if I remember correctly, Arenal Springs Hotel. It's a beautiful 4-star property, very, very nice, beautiful decor, beautiful grounds, great facilities. And I wanted to show you the bathroom as well. Very, very nice looking, with a little bit of daylight here and a gorgeous, gorgeous shower. So we're ready to explore this part of Costa Rica, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow.